Want to learn how to change the name of your Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also do the same. And then tap on it. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. After getting logged in properly, tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. You can see an option of name, username, birthday, mobile number, and the list goes on. Tap on name on the top. Now you have an option of choosing or picking a name so that your friends know you by. I am going to tap on this particular name over here, and from Alexa Gill, I want to change it to Christine Evans. When you're done, tap on save below. Just by doing it, you can see that your name has been changed from Alexa Gill to Christine Evans. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.